Hello creators, it's Melissa from Melissa's Creations here. I am so excited to bring you this paper pumpkin pop-up blog hop for June 2018 using the Broadway Star paper pumpkin kit. I've made an alternate project and I can't wait to show you what I did. Let's get started. So this month's paper pumpkin coordinates beautifully with the Broadway bound suite in the annual catalog. These cards are the cards that you can make with this paper pumpkin. All of the items that you see here are included in the kit to make these two cards. This is my alternate card using mostly just the items in this box. I did, however, use a piece of black cardstock for my card base, but you could just as easily use the black and white striped card base that is included instead of the black cardstock. So let's get started and I'll show you how I put it together. We're going to start off with an envelope. This envelope is what I used for my card mat. So I'm going to set my box aside and we're going to trim this envelope down so that it measures 4 inches by 5 1/4. So the first thing I'm going to do is trim off the edges. So I'm going to stick this in my paper trimmer and I'm just going to trim off the slightest bit of this edge over here, so that now I have it an open piece. And now I'm going to flip it around, and actually I'll do it this way. And I want to measure, this is the open end that I just cut. I want to measure 5 1/4 from this end. So I'm going to trim it off right there. Okay, so now I have a long open piece. I'm going to trim off this folded edge. And you can definitely use this piece for something else. Lots of good whisper white space here, and you can use this as a small border on another project. So now I'm going to flip this around and trim it down to 4 inches at the top. Again, you can use this bit here for a scrap whisper white. The adhesive for the envelope flap runs here, but there's still plenty of room to use. So I have half a sheet of standard cardstock here. This measures 5 1/2 by 8 1/2. I'm going to go ahead and use my trimmer to score it at 4 1/4. And that's all the cutting that we're going to do. The rest is stickers and already cut out shapes for us. So I'm going to use the provided adhesive from this kit on my card, so I don't have to use any others. I am using the lovely lipstick. However, I am going to save opening my Stampin spot, and I am going to use the classic Stampin pad in our new format. If you haven't seen it yet, this is the new style. It's very sleek. I love it. We're also going to use the stamps, some dimensionals, a few of the candle stickers. We're going to use 2 of these cakes. I'm going to pop 1 and 2 out. We're going to use this Broadway billboard looking guy right here. We're going to use this last hooray sticker on this sheet. And I'm going to use 1 of these banners, along with some of that gorgeous black and gold baker's twine. All right, I'm going to build my embellishment first. So I'm going to take some glue dots and put some on the back of this cake. I'm going to stick it down right there. I'm going to take 3 of my candle stickers. I'm going to put 1 up in the middle, and I'm putting it kind of higher up on the cake because the other 2 I'm going to put a little lower so that it gives it a little bit of dimension. And now we're going to pop up this cake with some of those mini dimensionals. And now we're going to pop this up onto our envelope that we cut apart. I'm going to put that right in the middle at the top. Now I'm going to take the congrats stamp And with that lovely lipstick, we're going to stamp that onto our card mat. And I'm going to stamp it kind of over here off to the right. Beautiful. With our lovely, oh my gosh, this stuff is my favorite, baker's twine, beautiful black and gold baker's twine. I'm going to wrap it around the bottom of my card twice, right under the congrats, and then I'm going to just tie a little bow. And I'm going to take a little glue dot and I'm putting it underneath where the knot of that bow is, just to kind of hold my bow in place so that it kind of sits a little nicer. And I'm going to pop that up with some dimensionals. Now let's work on the inside. So stinking easy. I'm going to take one of those white banner stickers from the kit and put it down here. This will give me a place to write my sentiment. And then I'm going to take these gorgeous gold foil hooray stickers and I'm just going to put it right on the top. And there it is. And there it is, creators. There is my alternate project for the June 2018 Broadway Star Paper Pumpkin Kit. I hope you enjoyed this special episode of Melissa's Creations for the Paper Pumpkin pop-up blog hop this month. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button as well as that bell icon to be notified when I upload new videos, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of this alternate project. You can get more information on my website at melissascreations.com. You can also follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/mcreations and on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest with the handle at mcreations. Be sure to scroll down to the bottom of my blog post and hop around to all of the other demonstrators' beautiful alternate projects, some of which also use the coordinating suite in the annual catalog, Broadway Bound. Thanks so much for stopping by, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.